glued together. Just like glued like that. This is the other one, and they go in the headboard. This is the other one. I have to glue it together yet. I didn't think you'd want to see me gluing that together, so I'm just taking my angle grinder now with this sanding disc, taking that all off. And I'm just gonna do that. Nobody wants to see that, so I already did half, so I'm just gonna continue, and then I'm gonna glue that together. Sand it down and cut square, but it wasn't quite long enough for whatever reason somehow, so I had to add these two pieces in there. I just glued those on there. Glued now. I got them clamped, so over here I got this other one glued on, so I gotta sand that all off. And then this one was the same thing. Thought I had measured it, but I'll have to, once I got it all squared off, I can just glue those pieces onto the sides again, and then you shouldn't see them anyway because they'll sit in this groove. So there's that. Right, so that's the headboard. Got that. I think it turned out okay. Just gotta sand this down a little bit more. Get rid of that a little bit. Make it a little bit nicer, and then stain it. I'll have to glue it together. So I might take and glue it together right now. So yeah, that's her. So I got them all glued up there, and just let that dry. I had to rig a couple clamps up there because I only had two that are long enough, so did what I had to do to make that work. We'll let that dry, and then we gotta stain it. We're just about done here, so started staining it. That's about what it's gonna be. I'm just gonna do it, and then we'll come back to it once I'm done. All stained up. I only stained what you're gonna see, so it's all there. The other side, like that. Kind of looks purple on camera, but it's kind of a light brown. So that's that, and then I'm gonna stain this here right away. I might time lapse that. We'll see. So I'm gonna stain the headboard now. I'm gonna time lapse it. I'm just gonna put my gloves on. I couldn't find a rag, so I just took the hood off of my old sweater I had. So, I mean, maybe not use yours, probably find somebody else's. Alright, so I got that done. I think it turned out alright. Can't really see it here. I don't want to put it down right now, so that's her. I just got to drill a hole into here so I can attach it onto there. Again, I just stained what I'm gonna see. I was gonna do both sides of it. So I'm just gonna let it sit like this for a few days. Okay, she's done. That's her. I got it bolted on there now. I just did the same thing with these. Drilled the hole and then put a, whatever you want to call those, a nut thing in the bottom of there. So that's it. That's the bed frame. If you want to see it like right done with the mattress on there, see how it looks, go follow me on Instagram. The Brood is my page. Go give me a follow there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. I'm also gonna announce the winner of the fishing rod rack now. So I'm not gonna bother doing a random number. There's only one person that actually emailed me. So 240 for Wild, it's yours. I'm gonna get it to you here. I don't know when. Soon. So there it is. And I'm gonna do another giveaway in the future, maybe at 50 subscribers. You can get me to 50, I'll do another giveaway. Not sure what it'll be, but I'll do it. Thanks. Have a good day.